Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this chocolate body scrub, so stay tuned. So to make this, first I'm gonna need some white sugar, then I'm gonna need some brown sugar, then I'm gonna need some cocoa powder, some coconut oil and some peppermint essential oil. So first I'm gonna put half a cup of brown sugar into a bowl. Then I'm gonna add the same amount of white sugar. Next I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Now I'm gonna add 1/3 of a cup of coconut oil. And now I'm just gonna add around 10 drops of peppermint essential oil. Now I'm gonna mix this and I'm gonna make sure there are no lumps in this. Just keep mixing until you're happy. So yeah, this is what your scrub should look like after you mix it properly. It does look like chocolate, doesn't it? And when you're done with that, just put this in a clean container. I'm using this plastic one. You can use any container. And your scrub is ready. So you can use it whenever you feel like it. And yeah, this was my recipe, so I hope you like it. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you would like to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my channel and see you later. Have a lovely day.